Assalamualaikum, dear students. Welcome to my regular online class. Today I will talk about transformation of sentence, simple, complex, and compound. Hope you will stick to me and try to understand today's class. Rule 1: if you find complex sentence with if, then how will you change it simple and compound? If you find if added complex sentence and if the sentence is affirmative sentence, then you have to turn it simple by using by plus bar plus ing, and the second clause will be the same. And in compound sentence you have to plus two sentences with coordinating conjunction and. Now let us be clear with examples. Complex: if you read book, you can enrich the realm of knowledge. You find the complex sentence with subordinating conjunction if, and if you find any condition, then you have to mark it as complex sentence, because you know in complex sentence you have to have a subordinating conjunction. In this case, if is the subordinating conjunction, and this is why this is complex sentence. And how will you turn it into simple? In simple, you have to use preposition by, and you know after preposition we have to use ing with verb, and this is why you have to add ing with read, and the answer will be by reading book you can enrich the realm of knowledge. You also know that in complex sentence one clause is independent and the other clause is subordinated, and in case of changing, independent clause will be the same in simple sentence and in compound sentence. And if you turn it into compound, what will be the answer? You read book and you can enrich the realm of knowledge. You know in compound sentence you have to add two sentences or two independent clauses with coordinating conjunction and or but. And if you find if plus affirmative sentence in complex sentence, then you have to use and to add two sentences. This is why we have solved in such a way that you read book and you can enrich the realm of knowledge. And dear students, you have to practice, and I have given two examples to solve by yourself, and you must write the answers of the two sentences in comment box. Practice 1: if they find the answer they will be awarded. And example 2: if he tries heart and soul he will be succeeded. And you must solve two sentences. Hope you have understood today's class. Tomorrow I will talk about with another class. Till then, keep safe and sound. Assalamu alaikum.